So there have been a few questions as to how the pin stitch counters are used. This is going to be a very brief video because there's not a lot of time to do this. So this is my original stitch. Say you have to go 21 stitches. You count out your 21 and you mark it here with the other one. And you would be able to leave those there until you complete your stitches. You can get up, get a cup of coffee, talk to somebody, it doesn't matter, and you're still going to have your stitches marked, so you will not lose your count. The other option to this is that if you have a very large project, these have clasps on them. Here, if you can see that, that is a lobster clasp. So they detach, so you could put it at any length across. It doesn't have to stay the length of the ribbon. And then when you need to mark your next spot, you just move them again. I hope that helps, ladies. If not, feel free to ask me more questions and I will try to make a better video for you.